there, little explorers. Welcome to Teenie Toons. I'm Teenie, your fun-loving friend, and today we're going on a super cool adventure through the vehicle's alphabet. That's right. We'll learn the ABCs with awesome cars, planes, boats, and more. Ready? Let's go. A is for ambulance. It helps people who are sick. The lights flash bright red. Quick! It's going to help someone. Bye-bye. B is for big yellow bus. It takes children to school. So many windows to look through. Time for school. Bye-bye. C is for crane. It builds tall buildings. The arm reaches way up high. Time to lift something heavy. Bye-bye. D is for dump truck. It carries dirt and rocks. The back tips up to empty. Off to a construction site. Bye-bye. E is for excavator. It digs deep holes. The bucket scoops up dirt. Time to dig somewhere new. Bye-bye. F is for fire truck. It puts out fires. Firefighters ride inside to help. Off to an emergency. Bye-bye. G is for garbage truck. It takes away our trash. The truck squashes the garbage. Time to clean the streets. Bye-bye. H is for helicopter. It flies in the sky. The blades spin round and round, up into the clouds. Bye-bye. I is for ice cream truck. It sells yummy treats. The music plays when it comes time for a sweet treat. Bye-bye. J is for Jeep. It drives on bumpy roads. The wheels are big and strong. Off on an adventure. Bye-bye. K is for kayak. It floats on the water. You paddle with 2 oars. Time to explore the lake. Bye-bye. L is for limousine. It's a very long car. So many people can ride. Off to a fancy party. Bye-bye. M is for motorcycle. It zooms very fast. The rider wears a helmet. Time to hit the road. Bye-bye. N is for news bike. It delivers newspapers. The basket holds lots of papers. More deliveries to make. Bye-bye. O is for oil truck. It carries gas for cars. The big tank holds lots. Time to fill up stations. Bye-bye. T is for tractor. It works on farms. The big wheels help in mud. Off to plow the field. Bye-bye. U is for UFO. It flies from space. Aliens might be inside. Zooming back to space. Bye-bye. V is for van. It carries lots of things. The sliding door opens wide. Time to make deliveries. Bye-bye. W is for wagon. It pulls toys around. The handle makes it easy. Off to play outside. Bye-bye. X is for X-ray van. It takes special pictures. Doctors use it to help. Time for a checkup. Bye-bye. Y is for yacht. It's a fancy boat. Sails catch the wine to move. Time for a sea adventure. Bye-bye. Z is for Zeppelin. It's a giant air balloon, floating quietly through the sky, drifting off into the clouds. Bye-bye.
A for ambulance flashing bright. B for bus so yellow and light. T is crane that lifts up high. Dump truck dumps with a happy high. Vroom, vroom, come ride with me through the whole alphabet A to Z. Honk your horns and blink your lights. Vehicles make learning bright. E, excavator, digs the ground. F, fire truck with siren sound. Garbage truck goes crunch, crunch, crunch. Helicopter spins a bunch. Vroom, vroom, come ride with me through the whole alphabet A to Z. Honk your horns and blink your lights. Vehicles make learning bright. E, excavator, digs the ground. F, fire truck with siren sound. Garbage truck goes crunch, crunch, crunch. Helicopter spins a bunch. Vroom, vroom, come ride with me through the whole alphabet A to Z. Honk your horns and blink your lights. Vehicles make learning bright. Ice cream truck with treats so sweet. Jeep bounces on bumpy street. Kayak paddles, limos long. Motorcycle zooms along. Wow, let's name some more. A news bike, oil truck, the police car, good luck. Quad bike, a race car. Submarine goes far, far, far. T is tractor on the farm. UFO flies with alien charm. Van delivers, wagon plays. X-ray van takes doctor's rays. Y is yacht so fancy free. Z is Zeppelin, look up you'll see. Now we've sung from A to Z. Wave bye-bye to you and me.
That was so much fun. Did you love learning about vehicles? Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to Teenie Toons for more adventures. Until next time, tune out.